Hello. Hello everyone. This is Dr. Snehal. Myself is pediatric intensivist at KD Hospital, and Diwali is coming. Everybody is preparing to celebrate this festival. The homes are getting decorated. The plannings for outing and vacation has been made. Planning for get together has been made. City is getting decorated. So from me and the KD Hospital, I'm wishing all of you a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. With Diwali, most of the time, being a pediatrician, I do have a queries from the patients that we are going out, ma'am, during this Diwali vacation, and how we should take care of the babies during the vacation, or we are going at a hometown, and over there would be a chance of dust exposure and all, and how we should do prevent the illnesses during the babies. So yes, during Diwali, we do enjoy a lot and we have a good gathering, and it's a festival of Diya and festival of firecrackers. So with Diwali, there is a lot of celebrations, but at the same point of time, there are some concerns we should keep in mind being a parents. So what are these concerns? The first concern is that Diwali is a transition phase of an atmosphere to a little colder environment. So what happens during this season is there is a rapid proliferation of the viruses like influenza virus and RSV virus, metapneumovirus. These viruses are multiplying very fast in the environment, and this causes an kind of an infection to the kids. So most of the time, these kids do present with the fever, cough, cold, and sometimes the cough is so bad there would be persistent cough going on. There would be a chest congestion, and they can't sleep properly at night. So these are the symptoms which we do see normally on a day-to-day basis. But what is the more severe symptom is they do present with a breathing difficulty, right? So parents needs to take care of this kind of a symptoms to the babies, and if they have a mild cough cold, they can manage it at home. But then if it is getting severe, do not wait. Please go to a pediatrician, get the baby checked, and take care of these things properly. How to prevent this? So first thing is influenza vaccines are most important. We do give an influenza vaccinations twice a year depending upon the timings. So normally September to March we are giving northern hemisphere, and March to September we are giving southern hemisphere influenza vaccines that covers most of the influenza viruses. And how do these vaccines prevent the flu? They will reduce the chances of a severe infections, so the kids do not end up with a pneumonia or ARDS and kind of an ICU type of an emergency to the kids. The second thing is during Diwali, there would be lot many firecrackers which would be there in the environments, and because of that, those firecrackers, there would be a lot of an air pollutions, and the kids who are having a history of an hyperreactive airway disease or an asthma does trigger during this phase. So what happens in cases of the hyperreactive airway disease or an asthma, the kids' airways are very sensitive to a subtle of an seasonal change or in any dust exposure or any allergen exposure. So that airways goes into a spasm, and because of that, the kids do develop a breathing difficulty too much. So for that, if the child is known case of an hyperreactive airway disease or an asthma, parents should carry the nebulizer or a puff which they will be giving to the kids to the vacation places or wherever they are going. And if there is severe respiratory difficulty, they should report to an hospital immediately. Then the third thing is, what happens is during Diwali, it's a festive time, people are gathering, and there would be outing as well, and there would be outside food exposure to the kids. So sometimes that end up with a dysentery and all. My urge to the parents is that please ensure that their kids are eating a wholesome food rather than junk foods during this time. And during outings as well, they should take care that the foods has been properly hygienically prepared, and then only that food only should be offered to the kids. Thank you so much. Wishing you a happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. Thank you.